As a DIY queen who loves making her own creations, there's nothing more satisfying than knowing exactly what goes into the product you use, whether it's skincare, hair care, or everyday essentials. Making things yourself not only saves money but also ensures everything is natural and free from harsh chemicals. So today I'm excited to share one of my all-time favorite DIY recipes: how to make your own coconut oil at home. This process is very simple, fun, and rewarding. And the best part is you will have pure homemade coconut oil that's perfect for your skin, hair, and even cooking. Let's dive in and enjoy.